Hello! In this video, I'm going to be updating a custom field in InvGate, this wonderful system, via the API. And I think this is going to be a really informative video because when I first tried to do this, I ran into a little bit of an issue. So when I added my new custom field, I went to customizations, I created my new custom field, did all of this. My very next thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to update this field via the API. And if we look at the API documentation, we can see that the parameters we need for this are the requester ID, the author ID, the custom field ID, and the values. And the values have to be sent as an array. That may seem odd. The values have to be sent as an array because it's possible for a field in InvGate to hold multiple values. You can have a list, you can have a tree, I think you can have multiple files as a file upload. So this was interesting to me. But the problem I ran into was I need to know the actual ID for the field, which is not the name. So you've got a name here, you can have a description, but I don't have the ID. And I'm new to InvGate. It's possible that there's somewhere in the system where there's a list, but what I found that was really convenient for me, I was looking at, I don't know why I keep opening this screen. I was looking at a new request, and I had the intuition that if I just create a new request, it's probably tagged in the HTML. And it is. So I can just right click on my field here and look at the ID, and look at that. It's custom field 35. So I haven't tested this yet, but that looks correct enough that I'm going to try that for the first try. So what was happening when I tried this out in Postman was I tried updating a request, which was 38. I tried setting an author ID, and when I first did this, I tried being cheeky with this and clever and just putting in the name of the field because I knew I didn't know the ID, right? And I was like, well, maybe it'll just accept it, because that would be convenient and it'd be easier than me trying to find the ID. That didn't work. I got back, this has to be an integer with the ID. And here you can see my little array with one value for the text. So now I'm going to replace this with 35 because in my browser this says custom field 35 for my field, and I'm pretty sure that'll work. Hey, look at that. Okay, custom field 35 was updated. Now let me go find that ticket. This was ticket 38. Hey, here's my custom field. It's that easy. Look at that. Look how intuitive that is. I have no clue what I'm doing, but the ID was where I expected it to be. That is actually awesome. I'm very, you can tell I'm very excited about this, right? Custom field 35. Amazing.